The TCO file is a CD-ROM catalog from Teleo's Disk Organizer, an index database of your optical disk collection from the era of massive CD libraries. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access this disk catalog data. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like TCO. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. TCO files are disk catalog database files created by Teleo CD-ROM Organizer containing indexed file listings and metadata from scanned CD and DVD collections. They store directory trees, file names, sizes, dates, and disk labels for organizing and searching large physical disk libraries without inserting each disk. Teleo TCO catalog files use a proprietary database format, storing disk identifier records with complete directory tree snapshots, file attribute data, disk volume labels, and user-added descriptions. The format enables full-text search across catalog disk collections for rapid file location. The TCO proprietary design mandates association with Teleo CD-ROM Organizer from Teleo. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. To bypass the file reading error, right-click the TCO file and choose Open With. Prioritize Teleo CD-ROM Organizer if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file association. If you are still having trouble opening the TCO file, do not worry, the file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common TCO failure areas. First, opening in Teleo CD-ROM Organizer. Install the Teleo CD-ROM Organizer application, if available, and open the TCO catalog file. The interface displays your catalog disk collection with searchable file listings. Browse by disk volume name or search across all catalog disks to locate specific files without physical media access. Next, searching the catalog. Use the catalog search function to find files across your entire disk collection by name, type, size, or date. The search results indicate which disk contains the matching files. This allows you to locate specific content across hundreds of catalog disks and retrieve only the needed physical media. Finally, migrating catalog data. If Teleo software is unavailable, try alternative disk cataloging applications like Virtual Volumes View or Where iZit that may import TCO format. Export catalog data to CSV or text format. For preservation in spreadsheet applications, recreate essential catalogs using modern disk indexing software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.